Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to write second in world very easy and simple method. You can easily type or write this second in world. So firstly need to type here second and need to select this ND. So firstly select this and here you see this X and upside will be 2, so just click on it. So you can see here very easily you can write this second. So this first method and second method is so one more time click on here to turn off this. So you need to turn off this superscript. So again click on it to turn off and turn on, just click on it to turn on and click on it to turn off. So you can now type here normal text. And second way to write this second, click on insert and here you see this the last second equation. So don't click on here, click on this upside this symbol and now here you see this script. So just click on it and here you click on superscript and here this first box you need to type second this 2 and here type ND. Now click on any empty area so you can very easily write this second. Very easy and few click you can type this or write this second. And third method will be there. First you can type this second like 2 and ND. Now select this ND and this is shortcut Control Shift plus is equal to. You see this will be second very easily. These letters will be small and you need to turn off. So same method Control Shift plus is equal to. So you can very easily turn off and turn on this superscript. And you can type this normal letters. So this way you can write this second in world by few click. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.